To become a mutual fund distributor, you need to first pass the NISM Series VA exam to demonstrate that you have a good understanding of mutual funds. The National Institute of Securities Markets conducts this exam, and this video is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the NISM exam through the NISM website. First, visit cert.nism.ac.in and register for a new account with the National Institute of Securities Markets. Before starting the registration process, ensure you have the following documents ready, such as a scanned copy of your PAN card, a recent photograph, address proof, educational qualifications, and employment details. Please enter your email address and password to create your account. Make sure to use a valid email address as your certificate will be sent there. You will be asked to upload your photograph, the soft copy of your PAN card, and select the document you are giving for proof of address and upload that. You will have to fill in your personal details such as your name, your father's name, date of birth, and alternate email ID. Once completed, click Next. Now comes the part where you will have to provide your contact details such as your full address and phone number, which you will have to verify using the OTP sent to your number. Click on Next once your number is verified. Select the highest qualification applicable to you and provide the relevant details, including your major subject, the name of the institute or university, year of graduation, and the grade you secured for the qualification. Now you have to give any professional qualifications you hold by selecting the applicable option. Even if you do not have any, you can simply click Next to continue. Fill in your occupation, under which you have the option to choose between self-employed, employed, and unemployed. If employed, you will have to fill in your employment details, that is, the name of the organization, your designation, address, and other details. If you are self-employed, then also you'll have to fill in the name of the organization along with the date of commencement and address. Select the total number of work experience before going to the next step. Ensure you review all your details provided before submitting. Remember to check the box to certify that all the information you have provided is correct and submit. Congratulations! You have successfully registered with NISM by creating your account. Now that your account is created, the next step is to enroll for the examination. For that, simply log into your NISM account. Click on Enroll in the dashboard, and in the next page, you will be prompted to select the examination type and the certificate you are enrolling for, which in this case will be the NISM Series VA Mutual Fund Distribution exam. Next, choose your preferred payment method for the exam and select the test center that is most convenient for you. This involves choosing your city and the nearest available examination center. You will also need to specify your available exam dates. Now comes the part where you will need to select available time slots for the dates you have chosen for your exam. Enter your GST registration details if you are registered. If you are not GST registered, then simply select Unregistered and check the box Same as Profile Address before proceeding to the next step. Review all the details for the billing address section and click on Next, after which you will be asked to choose the payment gateway. Select your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Once the payment is successfully processed, you will receive a confirmation pop-up indicating that you have successfully enrolled for the NISM VA exam for mutual fund distributors. Retain the payment summary for future reference if necessary. On the upper right corner of the payment summary page, you can view the generated admit card. You will also get the option to download it. Now go back to the dashboard to view your enrollment details and track the progress of the same, along with the option of rescheduling. You're now ready to take the exam on your scheduled date. Remember to take your admit card and one original photo ID proof, such as a PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, or passport, to the test center. To help you prepare for the exam, you can take mock tests, practice exams, and access study materials available on the NISM website. Once you have passed the exam, your NISM certificate will be available in the Completed section under the My Enrollments tab on the NISM website. And that's it. You are one step closer to becoming a mutual fund distributor. With your NISM certification, you can now proceed to apply for your ARN through the AMFI website. We have explained the step-by-step process in this video. Do watch.